Okay, good peoples, this is the half-X case that I had the yellow and green Mayhem's X1 fluid in. You may remember the one that I put the rad radiator on the side panel with the 3 GTX 460 cards. Now I've done a load of temperature tests with the X1 fluid and now with the Aurora. The Aurora's been running for over a week now. You know, that's just running the computer as normal, everyday use. Shutting down, starting up maybe 2 or 3 times a day, then being left for a couple of days, then started up again. So you know, it's had a good run, and as you can see, I've left it overnight now, just so that you can see how clear the fluid in the reservoirs goes. But the amazing thing is when you fire the computer up and this stuff kicks into life. It really is quite amazing. So if you just hang on a minute, I'll just start the computer and we'll see what happens. And there you go. Very, very effective stuff. I really do like this stuff. It does look very good. And as you can see, it fires up in the reservoir very easily and very quickly. Sorry about the roar of the fans then, but everything's on full tilt when the computer first starts up, and it's only when the Aurora kicks in that the fan's quieting down. But look, you even see this fluid in the pipes, in the tubing rather. It all works very well. And the amazing thing with this fluid is when you look at it, you maybe think it's quite thick, but it isn't. It's actually, well, it doesn't look very much thicker than just ordinary water, in all honesty. See the effect, very good. And with the amount of colours that you can get with this now, you know, it caters for pretty much everyone's needs that want to use this fluid. It does stress on Mayhem's side, you know, that it's not for complicated loops or anything, hence why I haven't tried it in the triple loop with the 3 graphics cards yet, because that is quite a complicated loop with an awful lot of elbows of 45 and 90 degree. I will try it. I'll perhaps put a different colour in and see how we go with that, but it does say on the Mayhem site that you know, it's not recommended for complicated loops, so to speak. So, but I'll try it and I'll report back and let you know what I find with it. Just try and get this so that you can see some of the fluid going through the pipes if you can. You have to excuse my videoing skills. I've never used a video camera before, so it's a first. Yeah, it shows up quite clearly, the fluid. I don't know if you'll be able to see what's going through the block. I'm maybe not close enough. Don't think so. Good looking stuff, this. To be well congratulated, Mick and Mr. Mayhems. Just try and get a nice close up on the reservoir now if I can, without too much jerkiness.